first graders. I wanted to share with you a couple new pages in your workbook. We haven't really done any workbooks since we were last in school together, but you have your workbooks home with you and you can go on and do some of the music stuff. So if you turn to page 48, you will see a page that looks like this with snail, snail on it. And the directions say, point to the pictures while you sing snail, snail. Write the solfege letters in the boxes under the sounds you already know. What sounds do we already know? What is this sound? So. What's this sound? Me, so, me. Those are the sounds we already know. Now, snail, snail uses a sound we don't know yet. So when we get to that sound in the boxes, and when we sing them, we're just going to hum instead of say so or me. So this first one, it's up top. Which note is our higher note? Correct, it is so. So in this box, we would put so or an S, right? We can abbreviate. Just use the letter S. So, me, so, me. Then we go down here. We start with so again because it's in the top space. Me was in the lower space. So is in the top space. So we start with so right here. So, so, that's a note we haven't learned yet. So, 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 me. Where these two snails are, you're going to put a question mark because we haven't learned what that note is yet. Can you try singing it on the notes we know? I'm going to look here. It's confusing to look at the camera. So, me, so, me, so, 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 me. Now we'll look at page 49 of our workbook. Page 49 has bounce high, bounce low. And again, let's review. What are those sounds we already know? So, me. We're going to start this note on the top line, kind of right in the middle of the line, is so. So, do we know a note that is higher than so, or is so our high note? So is our high note. So, so, me. We don't know this yet, so we're going to hum. And again, you can fill in your boxes. So, question mark, so, me. Then down here again, we're going to keep going. We start with so. So, 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 me. Let's sing it all together now. So, so, me. So, 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 me. Page 50 is going to be our last page today. It's Lucy Locket. Now, if you look over here, what note do you think Lucy Locket starts on? If you said so, you are correct. So why don't you put two so's in the box here? Now what about here? Do we know that note yet that's higher than so? We do not. So that's where we're going to put our question marks. Then we have so again. And what note do we have that is lower than so? Me is correct. Good. So you on the first line should have so, so, question, question, so, so, me, me. Do you think you can do the rest of the song on your own? I'll give you a hint. Each line starts with so. I'm going to give you a few seconds to do that, and then I'll help you out. All right, if you're not ready to go on, you can just pause the video for a second, and when you're ready, you can start me up again, okay? Let's start on the second line together. So, question, question, so, me. How'd you do? Third line. So, question, question, so, me, me. So, question, question, so, me. Good. Now next week, I'm going to tell you what that question mark note is, and we'll get to do a few more activities with it. Let's sing Lucy Lockett on our solfege words together. So, question, question. Oh, I could hum. That's easier. Let's hum. So, me, me. So,